Don't mind this cord. Filming in my room again. But I got some Amazon packages in this box. I figured we'll open them together. So yeah. Let me zoom up better. Alright, so this is, I got some binders off of Amazon. So I got some binders. Oh, I didn't know it came with pages. Okay. It came with like some letter stickers. I didn't know it was coming with pages, so that's fun. I'm probably gonna take this little strap off, but I'm gonna be putting my photo card pops in here. So if you want to watch me set this up, let me know. I might still film it. Probably. I'm probably gonna film it. Knowing me, I film like everything. So yeah, it was a 2-pack. So I have 2 of those. It came with some 4 pocket pages. And then I had ordered a 100 count. That came broken. That's nice. A 100 count of, I think it was 100. I don't know. It's a lot of 4 pocket pages so that I can set these binders up. And then this box should be some albums that we'll go ahead and open. Finally got a box cutter. Look at me. Not having to use some scissors and almost cutting my hand off. Ah! That's fine. Okay. So I got some albums. Like I needed them. It's fine. These were the freebies that they gave. So cute. Oh my god, they're little stickers. Love it. Okay. We'll start with the trainee version. So this is like the Nemo version or Nemo version, however you want to pronounce it. So this has the title tracks, the titles of the tracks. This is how to use the Nemos app. This is the lyric sheet. That's the QR code. And then this is the set. So we have Kaihun, Maru, Donghua, Juang, Minjae, Kaiju, and Donghyun. And then on the back is their signatures. These are so cute. I love that we get a full set. I don't have to sit there and hunt for all the photos. And then it also came with 2 stickers. Don't mind my voice. I lost it at the aespa concert and I've been struggling to get it back. Then I got another Great version. So we're just gonna pull out the stuff. Okay. That was not in the photo book at all. Okay. So the little poster, I got Amaru and Amaru. And then let's do, this is the lookbook version. So it comes in like a pouch, and this like pouch is pretty thick. I've actually opened one of these already. I did it this weekend. I did not film it because I was at my local K-pop store when I did it. But it comes with a pouch, a bandana that they did all the doodles for. It's really cute. And it has something like each of them like are a fan of, which is, I am at 19%. Hopefully I have enough to finish this. So yeah, super cute. Love the bandana. It comes with a little tag. The stickers that are also in the other versions that I've opened. A poster. This is Kaihoon. This is also the lyrics. So cute. And then this is the, I didn't see it. This is the photo book. It's basically just showing off their outfits, which is really cute. And they did all the doodles for this also, which is really cute. So Maru, Donghwa, Juhong, Minjae, Gaiju, and Donghyun. So yeah, and then I got Juhong. And then for the photo cards, I got, oh my goodness, I got Donghwa and Minjae. I really like this version. Like, I think that this was such a cute concept. You don't see, like, fun packaging like this very often. And then, last thing I got, this should be Soobin. Hopefully it's Soobin's. It says SB, so it's giving me hope that it's Soobin. I got Taehyun and I have Yeonjun's. I'm working on getting Hinakai and Bomgyu's. It's just taking me a little bit to collect them all. So we have the QR code and the photo card. This is Soobin's little piece. So cute. Oh my goodness. His little poster. His stickers. This is the song lyrics. His poster. Oh my god. That's adorable. His photo book. Oh my god. His is so fun. Oh my. I was not expecting that. His whole back was out. Okay. And then his CD. So cute. Okay. And then my pull is, oh my god, I got Bumgoo. Oh, that's so cute, the little Lego set. Oh my god, I love that. He's slowly but surely becoming a bias wrecker for me. I love him. He's so funny. Okay, well, that was all of my pulls. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And back to my channel. I'm just going to be opening this package today. I'm probably going to have multiple clips of like other packages that I'm opening. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and start with this. This I got from Mercari. I tend to buy a lot of stuff from Mercari. What? So this is the freebie that they gave. It's a fan-made Yeonjun photo card. And then these are stickers that say Jay and Jake. Oh my goodness. At least I know it's well protected because I can't get it off this. So I had ordered some photo cards that I needed. So this says, thank you for giving this a new home. Some cute stickers. I'm not in frame. Sorry about that. So I got I got two different Yeonjuns. I got from the Angel version and then the Lover version that I was missing. I also got some J. I got his Walk the Line photo card, and then from Daydream I got these. And then I got some more J. This person had a lot of Jay and Jake photo cards. Did my box cutter just break? This one is Dimension Dilemma for J, and then Orange Blood, J. This, I believe, is the Weverse version. And then lastly, I got Yeonjun's Polaroids from the tour merch. So I have two of his Polaroids now. Yeah, So we're gonna start with the Meow Cafe box since I know what this is for sure. Because I've been waiting on this one. I thought that this would take a little bit longer to get here, so I'm kind of surprised. That bubble wrap had no air in it. So I got some of the 9-pocket A4 plus pages. This is the 40 pack. And then I got 100 of the slim binder pages that I use. So hopefully this is enough. Hopefully. Probably not. I'm probably gonna end up needing more, but it's fine. That one's not that difficult to get. Okay. And this, I think, is my trades. I don't know. Okay, then. Let's open. Okay. So on Instagram, I traded with someone, and I think that this is what these are. Yeah. So these are the freebies. So they gave some fan-made photo cards, which are super cute. And then, or these are like the Lomo cards actually. And then some stickers. And then what I got, oh my god. I was hoping not to have to cut this, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. Oh, it ripped. Okay, cool. I got in oh my god. Okay. Hyunjin's 8 photo card. It's a Target exclusive. Felix's Hop. Oh my god. I got Lino and Jisung's trading cards. Another Lino and Jisung trading card. And then in this package, I got oh, this is like kind of difficult to open. I got Yosung from Golden Hour Part 1 and Part 2. This is the bite version that I was needing. And then I got Han from Hop, San from Golden Hour Part 2, Bing Chen from Hop, Changbin from Hop, and then the last set to finish out this package, oh my goodness, is Hyunjin and Sungmin. So this package actually helped me finish the trading cards. If I can find them all. Yeah, I finished the last of the trading cards that I needed, which is so exciting. And then we have Felix and Han, and was able to finish out the bite set, the accordion version. Super exciting. So I'll take a picture for that in a little bit after I finish filming. And then this is the next package. Their washi tape is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. So the note says, "Dear Lauren, thank you so much for buying from me. Hope the boys arrive safely. Happy collecting." And then that's who I bought from. Openings on this side. So the little freebies I got some stickers, a photo of Changbin, this Polaroid of Skiz, and then this Jake photo card. And then this, I believe, has photo cards in it. Bless you. My dog just sneezed. This is so cute. They made their own little envelopes. Yeah, it's empty. Okay. And then in here, we have Changbin from Hop, and we have Jake from Daydream, and then my last package oh my goodness, I cannot get this out. Okay, last package. It's so cute. And then the freebies are, if I can open this. Some stickers and like little deco things. And then the card I got. Oh my god. I got Benny's Magic School card, which is the only one that I'm missing. So I have fully completed this set also. So yeah, these are all the cards I got today. I got a good little collection, which is so exciting. Able to get a good bit of these sets done. Some of the cards are a little bent, but I feel like they'll be able to flatten out pretty well in my binder. So yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.